Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Toyota Supra MK4 front view. First, let's establish the fundamental proportions. Start by sketching a wide, low rectangle to represent the car's main body. This initial shape will guide all subsequent details. Divide this rectangle vertically into 3 equal sections to help with symmetry. Remember, the Supra is a wide vehicle, roughly 1.8 meters across, so give it a strong, grounded stance. Lightly mark the center line and the top of the hood. Now let's focus on those iconic front-end features. Begin by drawing the distinct, rounded rectangular headlights on each side. These are a key identifier for the Supra MK4. Position their inner edges close to the central section you marked earlier, ensuring they are symmetrical. Below the hood line, sketch the narrow, horizontal grille opening. Don't forget to add the small, circular turn signals, typically found just next to the main headlight units. Moving down, we'll tackle the bumper and air intakes. Outline the prominent front bumper, which extends slightly forward, giving the car its aggressive stance. Next, draw the large, central air intake opening in the lower bumper. This is a significant feature. On either side of this central intake, add 2 smaller, distinct side air intakes. Finally, define the subtle, flowing lines of the hood, which gently curve upwards towards the base of the windshield. For our final slide, let's refine and add depth to your drawing. Go over all your lines, making them cleaner and more confident. Don't forget to add small details like the Toyota emblem, typically placed centrally in the grille area. Now, introduce shading to create depth and define the car's contours. Use darker tones for shadows, especially under the bumper, within the air intakes, and around the edges of the headlights to give it a 3-dimensional look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.